My name's Bran Ram, and you're watching Backcountry Hustle.
Here you go.
Backcountry Hustle is a show about people living sustainable and alternative lifestyles in remote pockets throughout North America.
Have you ever had broccoli from a root?
I have not. Cheers. Take it!
This is bush paradise, huh?
I really love waking up in the morning, just being immersed in nature. It's very grounding.
Look at your tiny home. Whoa.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Very tiny.
A tiny home. And we're in the Arctic!
Well, just to go and just, have some fun or whatever, because I find sometimes you have to pull yourself out of your, you know what I mean? Like when you get into that routine or whatever and you're like, you know what I mean? And then you just go play for a while and come back and it's like, oh, ding, ding, ding. I love that.
How do I get to you?
Just walk through the mud.
Barb. Hi. This is your home.
This is my home for 5 months.
Why do you live in a tent?
That's what's happening right now.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm a go with the flow kind of girl.
Kind of girl. You used to live in a home, a house.
Oh, yeah, had it all.
Gave it up?
Yeah, jumped off the machine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, no machine for me.
Feel good about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Free.
Freedom.
Freedom.
At the price of a winter
Freedom.
in a tent.
In a tent that I can live in April till October for sure.
Okay. So are you leaving in October, you think?
No,
No?
I'll just go into something else. Like maybe a shack or, I don't know.
Okay.
I get called and I listen and I do what's next. I only have a 100-watt solar panel, but for what my needs, it's working out because it's just laptop, iPhone, headlamp, blow dryer, once in a while. But since May, I've only used the sun for power.
Oh, wow.
And I just throw it out here when the sun's out. You'll go to a lot of bush camps, you'll find like holes in the ground, just holes in the ground. And people will store their meat.
Wait, is this your fridge?
This is the fridge.
Your fridge is buried in the ground.
Fridge is buried in the ground where the permafrost keeps things cold.
Okay. Do you dig into the ice or is it just on top of the ice?
No, you have to dig a hole down because it gets really cold. There's actually ice down there about a couple feet down. Right?
Yeah.
And then the fridge goes on and then the styrofoam
helps to keep it cool.
Yeah. This is a whalebone vertebrae.
Yeah.
From a bowhead whale. I don't believe the bowheads are very abundant. It's just kicking around here.
Barb, you're so witchy.
I'm a witchy. I don't know about that, but yeah, I guess. Say hi, Brandon.
Hi. Hello, Pooch.
Yeah, so this is my little,
Wow.
my humble abode for like 5 months now. And everywhere I live, even if I'm in a hotel room for 2 days, I make it home.
Make it home?
I have to. And I always have an altar. It doesn't matter what size my space is.
What's on your altar over here?
Feathers and a whalebone. And I do my smudging and stuff here. A nest, which is symbolic of fertility and whatnot. And the eggs some kids gave me.
Oh, nice.
And my reading cards and a candle. And this is a woolly mammoth tusk.
Where did you get this from?
It was laying on the ground out there. Here, hold it.
I don't know.
Yeah, you get it's just got crazy energy. It's so old.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is this?
This is a double barrel wood stove.
Common? Is this normal?
Seen some up this way in the Arctic, yes. And then I have this.
Is that also a bathroom?
This is pretty special. This is the foot soak. This is the take a quick bath.
You bathe in a pot?
Oh yeah.
You bathe in a
Water
walk?
from the lake. Oh yeah, I'm a bushwoman, and I don't pay rent.
You're living for free.
Basically,
That's awesome.
it's pretty nice. I really am, treading lightly on the planet. Like
Oh, yeah.
I for sure use propane, but I like to cook outside too on the fire. It's like to live this close in nature to the elements is that just, I don't know, there's a disconnect out there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I don't have a disconnect.
No.
But then you have more time.
Mm-hmm.
Have more time to play.
Less stressed out.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so what else we got in here?
Well,
Is this your closet?
yeah, kinda, I guess. This is my design.
So you're a painter.
I'm a everything. I'm a whatever.
You're whatever. Okay.
I paint jars, I paint antlers, I paint sea cans. My medium is pencil and ink.
Okay. How did you get into art?
Well, when I was younger, I didn't believe in anything, like at all. And then I moved to the Northwest Territories when I was 19 from Northeastern Ontario. I just hit the wall, shut everything down, gave everything away. Gone, gone, gone. Here's the keys, here's the phones, I'm out of here. Because I had to go find myself, cliche. But that's what I had to do. And that was what happened. Because I just said, okay, I'm here for something. Show me, I'll follow and I'm still doing that.
Any regrets?
No.
None.
No.
Okay.
Ever.
Good.
Ever. You leave this lifetime with no regrets. Well, I will. Oh, this is a little cute one. Running through the trees, honey. How do you want to do this? Everything's calculated for me number-wise. Yeah, I'm always like, this needs to go this way. Like 4 directions. So I would do like 4, or I'll do 8s, lots of 8 combination. I think if I was going to put a string on it, because of this how it's cut, I would probably get a cord or something and just wrap it around to cover this up.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can just hang it.
What else do you do around here for fun?
Canoe.
Okay.
Walk the trails, walk to the river, go on the lake, watch the beaver, I don't know, I'm just happy in nature, sitting around, waiting for the birds and stuff to show up. Makes me happy.
So Barb,
Yes?
you're blank years old.
58.
You're 58 years old. You live in a tent
Yes.
in the Arctic.
Yes.
No plan.
No plan.
What the hell, man?
Well,
Rock and roll.
you gotta have some faith,
What are your COVID thoughts out here away from the populace and the people?
I think it's a wake-up call. I think, something had to happen. We had to stop. Something had to just stop so that we could assess things.
But people are leaving the cities more now than ever because of this.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I've been in the cities and I'm not much of a city person, but I did stay in the city for a few years. People eat and shop. That's what you do in the city, eat and shop, I guess. I don't know. I'm like, where's the nature? Because I didn't have a whole lot of money. And so if you don't have a whole lot of money, you can't go shopping and eating. And that's just not very fulfilling to me.
Can you tell me about the spirit a little bit more?
When you use the word God, there's always that religious connotation, but
Yeah.
I say something bigger than us. What makes the leaves turn yellow? What does all that? That's how I think of it. It's not like a man in a chair judging me from the sky or something like that. I think when I look back now, I see that I always was connected.
Right.
It was just not seeing that I was connected. It's like it was a soul call, and I had to trust that I was exactly where I was meant to be, and I always am.
So is this home for you now?
Everywhere's home. I'm going to drive up to the Arctic Ocean tomorrow. I haven't been on the Inuvik Tuck Road yet, I wanted to go up there and maybe see what I could find to paint on and stuff.
Oh, cool.
Looking for rocks, really, specifically. But it's not as salty as the other oceans.
I mean, it's salty though.
It is salty, yeah.
I can't stop.
So cool. So, yay, we're at the Arctic Ocean.
Yay!
We made it. And I may take a few to paint, so I'm going to offer tobacco as a trade. And then I don't take the rocks that don't want to come, because the rocks are the ancestors. The kind of rocks I really like, these striped ones and different looking ones, but the ones I paint the paws on
Yeah.
are kind of,
Flat?
well, I call them paw rocks.
Oh, well, that makes
And they
sense.
look, they're kind of like this. These
Oh, yeah.
kind of, you know?
Okay.
I don't know, I just know when I see them. They just pop out. They say, "Hi, Barb.
Hi, this is a paw rock.
Take me home and
That's
paint
a paw
me."
rock.
That's a pretty cool paw rock. That's a pretty cool paw rock. It's a big one.
So you paint paws on them?
Yeah.
Paw rocks.
Paw rock.
How about this one?
And then, oh, look at that. Red and black.
That's pretty cool.
That's crazy.
This one could be a good paw rock.
No, gotta be round. Brandon!
We've been looking for rocks for 40 years, Barb. Okay, I'm gonna try to find one that you'll actually like.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
See if I can find
come,
see if I can find a pair.
Come
now
on.
that I
This is starting to feel personal.
It's just what wants to come with me. It's not me that's being picky. It's just a feeling. That's all I can tell you.
Look at this. Come on.
Ooh, might have a winner there, Brandon. But, see, rusted. It's rusted. I can't get that off, right? And then it looks
I was close though, right?
Yeah, you're getting there. Yeah.
What about this one? This one's sort of witchy. It's actually quite nice. Do you approve of this?
Do I approve? To using my wood stove? Oh, careful! What a goofball.
Well, Barb, thanks for being on Backcountry Hustle.
It's been my
You
pleasure.
backcountry hustler, you.
Backcountry _
To the city!
No city for me. I'm good.
Well, no city for Barb, but me and the Paw Rocks are off to our next adventure in the capital city of the Northwest Territories, Yellowknife.